Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed to Laravel 11 full course and this part 75 generating dynamic PDF with Dompdf in Laravel 11 and this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, this my gem server available already started. Apache and MySQL I already started. And this already run localhost PSP my admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel. This project is already run this database name inside this list of table is available, and this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory. This project is already open this my Sublime text editor. Let's run this project. cmd means command prompt open cmd PSP artisan server and enter PSP artisan server and enter. Copy this URL and hit this browser. Successfully working good. /admin login and click this table name is a user. Click this user table. Inside this login credential is available. Copy this login credential, copy, and password is 12345678 and click this login and not now. Successfully login and click this colors inside this is available. This available colors inside. Click this colors inside this available PDF. Let's inside this new PDF button implement and step by step single record is get. Let's first of all this page is open. Resource view admin and color inside this list. This list is already show. This list inside this already show this list. Get record and this color table is available inside this table database inside this color table, and this 4 record is available inside this 4 record is a show. This 4 record is a show. This 4 record inside this show. Let's inside this PDF button is a implementation. A tag srf pdf class btn primary. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully this PDF button is a show. Good working. This PDF button is a show. Otherwise inside this color change info, save file and refresh this page. Successfully this is a button is a show. This is a good working, and this different color is a save file and refresh this page. Different is success color is a set. Good working. Let's inside this is a URL and this the same name is a copy and click paste here inside this PDF and dot this same ID is available in this dynamic ID. Same ID is a paste here. Successfully paste and refresh this page, and this is a successfully shared. This is 3 number ID is available. 3 number, 4 number, 5 number. Let's click this 5 number inside this show this 5 number. Good working. This is a 5 number is a successfully working. Let's 4 number, click this 4 number. This is a 4 number is a show. Good working. Same URL is a copy. Otherwise this URL is a copy, and this route inside this web.php open. Inside this already function new create PDF function. Let's create new function. Route get PDF function is a create paste here, and this ID is a dynamic ID is a implement, and this color control is already created. This color control class, and this PDF first PDF is a download. This single PDF, this function is a create, and this color control is already implemented. Says copy, and this control is a open color controller. App HTTP controller inside this color controller. This controller is available. Let's inside this paste here public function paste here. this $id is already set. This is a $id. Inside this already available this id. This id is a set. Echo $id and I. Save file. This save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully 4 number is a show. Let's again this PDF and click this, and this is a 3 number. This is a 3 number is a show. Inside this 3 number is a available. Good. Let's 6 number is a implement 6. Inside this 6, and this is a 6 number. Good. Working. This is a working. Let's this server is already run, and this is stop. Control C. This is a server stop and close this. PSP artisan server call and close. In this new implement PS cmd, this directory inside this open cmd. This command is available. Copy same command, copy, and this is a Laravel Dompdf is a not install. Less installation. This is a latest version. This latest version inside this not available. Let's close this and installation this. Copy and inside this paste here and enter. Please wait. This is a installation. Please wait. This is a installation. Please wait. Successfully installation is done. This is the installation is done. This is 3.0 and this is the installation. Let's check this composerization, and this is the installation is done. Good. Working. Let's close this. Otherwise this directory inside PSP artisan server and enter again this run this server. Let's refresh this page successfully as it is working fine. Good. Working. This is a command is working fine. PSP artisan server. And this my official website error solution code. YouTube, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is always available. Inside this contact form is available, and new application and web development new create, so please contact anytime. Inside this list of project is available. Please my channel, please subscribe and click bell icon and follow this all link. This is a follow all link. Let's open. This is a open. Inside this PDF installation, this already implement. This is a PDF. This PDF is already implement. Use this PDF, and this color model is a model. This model inside this is a color model. This is a color model, and this is a model is a implementation. Please check step by step video. In this color table is inside this available. This color table. This is a table name is a color table. Same name is a copy, and inside this implementation PDF and this PDF. Let's first of all this PDF. This PDF is already implementation. Copy this and paste here. Find the same ID. This remove, not use. This remove and this copy and paste here. Save file. $get record. This is a spelling mistake. Not use this spelling mistake. $get record. Inside this new variable create $data is equal to inside this any close this. This $PDF is equal to same here cut and paste here, and this load view and PDF dot color PDF and save file. Let's copy this name, copy, and this is a loader view, and this PDF folder is already available. This PDF folder, this folder is available PDF folder. Let's new copy and new file is a create blade PSP. Successfully create this file PDF folder inside. Successfully create $, otherwise return is equal to same here copy and this is equal to remove, paste here, download color first PDF and save file. Successfully save. Inside this title is equal to this new PDF download error solution. Next is a date. Let's date is a set date is a set. Same here, date this copy and paste here. Please writing this only this function is writing, and next is the same here, copy and paste here, and is equal to this data is a pass, the same here, copy and paste here, and this data is a copy inside this pass here. Save file. Please writing this only this function model. Inside this is a get record. Let's open this file. Inside this HTML start HTML, and this color title. Save file. Inside this S1 is a implement this $title. This is a title is already set $title, same here, copy and paste here. Next is a BR set, and this is a S2, this is a date $date. The same name is a copy date. Save file and check this, refresh this page. Inside this record is available. Let's first of all this download PDF. Let's refresh this page and download. Let's click this PDF and download. Click this download. Successfully this is a color first is a download. Good. New PDF download error solution, and this is a current date is available. This is a title, and this successfully download new PDF, and this is a successfully download. Good working. This is a successfully fine. Let's inside this is a record is available. Let's get a record. First of all this is a BRS2, and this is a record is a set $copy. This is a get record copy, and this is a ID save file. This ID save file, and again this refresh. This is a name is a BR ID is equal to save file. Let's refresh this, close this, and refresh this page. And this ID is a download 3 number. Let's click this PDF, and 3 number is a download. Successfully ID is a 3 is a download. Good working. Let's next is a this color, and this date is a implementation. This is a ID is a implement. Next is a name is available name. This is a name. Same name is a copy, and this paste here. Inside this paste and name only name. Save file, and this again copy and paste here. This is a name is available created yet. This is a created yet. This is a date format is a implement date format is a set. This is date format. DMY, this is a date format. str2 time. Save file. Successfully implementation. This is a get single record ID name, and this color name. Single record is a get. Let's refresh this page, and this is a record. Let's 3 number is a download. This is create this PDF. Good. This 3 red and date. Successfully open. This is a working. 3 number red number, and this is a date. This is a date is a successfully inside. This is a available this date format wise. Let's next is this is a phone number is a download. Click this download phone number. Inside this is a phone number is a download for black phone number, black and date. This is a black and this is a date is available successfully. This is a dynamic is a implement any this pdf is a download successfully download. Good, working yellow. And this is a successfully download this first record, only single record. This is a working fine. Good, please writing this, please this writing inside this is available. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.